Hi, this video is the RF hair transplant restoration surgery result 1 year post-op with before and after photo by Dr. Diep. And this client had a procedure done in the past, and it really what she did is scalp excision, so scalp lowering. So they cut out a strip of skin in the front and lower her down and suture her hairline. So it resulted into a linear scar in the front of the head, and it looks very abnormal. And that method is not popular nowadays. It's a lot more painful, has a lot of side effects, more bleeding, you have numbness, you have shock loss of the hair, and you have a linear scar, and it's permanent for the rest of your life. You can never pull your hair up. And the other important factor is you're still going to need a hair transplant on top of it to hide the scar. So most people nowadays, they're just going to go straight to a hair transplant instead. But again, for women, you want to make sure you come to someone who specializes on the art of restoring woman hair, because doing hair transplant with someone who doesn't have a lot of experience with black curly hair, it doesn't grow. And on top of it, if they don't work on black women, it won't look natural. Why? Because there's a whole artistry of recreating hairline. It's very detail oriented, and a lot of meticulous detail. And so this is before and a year later, and you can see she has a linear scar in the past by someone who just do scalp lowering, and a year later you don't see no scar. And you see this is a huge scar for her, and it's very traumatic for her, and she had to wear something to hide it. And her goal was to lower the hairline so she can wear the hair, and tie her hair up and show her face, but because the linear scar does affect her quite a bit. And look at that, a year later. And you see this linear scar. And there's a whole artistry of creating woman hairline as well. It's a lot more complicated. And again, you see that linear scar, and a year later. And this is where she is now. And now, this is where she is. Can you turn your head to the left for me? Perfect. Turn to the right. Great. If you can look straight at me. So this is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result. 1 year post-op with before and after photo by Dr. Diep.